Ever since I made that install video of 2 purple LightMode kits on one helmet, you guys have been asking me to make a LightMode kit that has 4 lights that runs off 1 controller instead of 2. Well, sometimes when you ask, and 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 you ask, Mama spanks you with a wooden spoon. Other times, Mr. LightMode makes you a goddamn LightMode kit with 4 lights and 1 controller. So today, we're going to be installing the first Neutron Evo kit on this AGV Pista GPR Gran Premio. Alright, so here are all the components that come with the Evo kit. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 lights, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, so that it can plug both of these into one controller. So of course you get the controller, you get the mount, I just spat on that. You get a USB charger, you get extensions, you got 2 short ones, 2 long ones, you got these little plugs. You get 2 extra adhesives in case you need it for whatever. You got some LightMode decals, decals, however you want to call it. And obviously you got some instructions here which none of you are going to read. So first step is we want to basically clean the helmet first and foremost. And let's get started. So these light strips, they come in several different colors. Today we're going to install the red ones, but you can get them in aqua, white, blue, green, and purple and red. So 6 different colors to choose from. So the great thing about these light strips is you can install them either way. You can either put them like this, where it goes from up, down, or you can flip the helmet and install them this way, where it goes down and then up. They're mirrored, as you can see, so that when you put them on your helmet, it's symmetrical. So we're going to be putting the controller, I'd say around here, just like we did with Stan the Moto Man's helmet. The Pista, whatever, it has these 3 little holes right here. 1, you got 2, and you got 3 holes. So I'm going to punch both through the center, just like that. Here it gets a little tight. I'm pulling it from this side. There we go. Just pull it through, and then I will be connecting it into here. So what we're going to end up with is a really clean install where the wires are going to be mainly hidden under the spoiler and camouflaged black on black. So it's going to look really stealthy, really cool. These light strips are cut in a certain way that when you start sticking it here, for example, it's going to naturally want to stick itself up here. Notice that? Once you start sticking this part down, you shouldn't start forcing this end down here like this. If you were to stick this part down where it doesn't naturally fall, this part won't stick well. And if I don't like it, I lift it all off, reposition here, change my angle a bit, and then come back down. I'm just gonna turn my studio lights off real quick and then turn the light mode on and see how it looks. Holy cow. Yeah, I'm impressed. Good job, Thomas. I mean, Mr. LightMode. Behold, the Neutron Evo kit. Well, half of it. It's looking pretty good so far, eh? I gotta post this on my IG. I'm just here filming again, one-man crew. I didn't have no one came to help. I mean, I sent a few emails out, none of you guys answered back, so f you guys. does that look to you guys? I think it looks pretty symmetrical. And the top, damn, nailed it. Let's turn the lights off, see how it looks. Lights off.
Lights out.
Ooh. Hello, hello. Guys, I think this is the sickest looking LightMode helmet that I've ever made. Would you look at that? Dude, I can't wait. I can't wait to shoot with this. Let me turn the lights back on. So there we have it, the install of the Evo kit in red. I have a template for you guys. Let me go get it one sec. I have this printable template. Link to it is in the description below. You print it out, you cut out the shapes, and then you stick those shapes on your helmet to see how the Evo kit fits on your helmet before you buy. If you guys do buy, the link is also in the description below. Please let me know if you end up buying it. I really want to get to know you guys better. Leave a comment saying, hey, Mr. LightMode, I just bought the Evo kit in whatever color. I'm gonna put it on my whatever showy helmet. Just let me know. Tell me where you're from. I read every single message on there. I have no idea why I'm out of breath. Anyways, guys, without further ado, here is the night shoot that I filmed with Lillian from Instagram. Check it out. That's one way to get out of the shot. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Do the 3, 2, 1. Yeah, yeah. One sec. You out of focus? Wake up, Kyle.
When she says go, do I just go for it?
Yeah, only till like 50 or so.
Oh, she fucked.
Ariel, I got you, man. Wait, don't leave just yet. I got one more thing to say. So I'm gonna be making some more LightMode install videos. We got the Icon Air Flight video coming up. We got a Shoei RF1200, specifically Stan the Motorman's RF1200. We're gonna sell an Evo kit on there. We got a Ruroc Atlas coming up on the way. We've got this next XR2, my go-to helmet. We're gonna take the LightMode strips. I am out of breath again. Holy f. We got the light strips on here that we're gonna take off and put the new Evo kit on. Likewise, we're gonna do the same thing on Mugumon's Arai Vector 2. So we got a lot more videos coming up. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Cheers.